Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So some of you guys are definitely going through something here, whether it's, in a relationship, friendship, life in general, whatever it is. Keep your head up. Just asking you, you need to have faith and trust that everything is going to work out in your favor. I feel like things are happening behind the scenes for you guys. And it's going to come to light soon enough. Let's see what's going on. Alright, Cancer, here we go. Let's see. Alright, so, bottom of the deck, you have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So, I feel like either you want to say something to someone, or someone wants to say something to you, but they're not. Somebody's not speaking up, but communication is getting ready to come in. Clarify the Ace of Swords, please, for Cancer. Okay, someone wants a victory here. Tell me more. Ooh, what is going on with these peekaboo cards? Someone wants a victory. Could be dealing with a Taurus. If not, somebody is feeling like they're not going to have a commitment with an individual. Maybe someone that you feel like you can have kids with. Maybe someone that you do have kids with. Someone from your past. But somebody feels like, again, they may not be able to have a commitment with someone. Tell me more. And it's like you guys are finally at peace. I feel like you're just at the point where you're just letting it go. You're having a peace of mind about it, just period, point blank. But in the same breath, you guys are still frustrated that a situation is not working out in your favor, but you're holding it in. You're really not telling anyone how you really feel. You're not expressing yourself. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius here, but you feel like there's no balance in this situation. Whatever's going on with you. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody feels like there's definitely no balance if you're dealing with an individual or, again, a life situation, because it's not really pinpointed. I mean, honestly, this is kind of going a couple of different ways, but you just feel like you just don't have balance in the situation. Tell me more. Yep, there goes the Knight of Pentacles again, but the way that it lays, somebody's moving really slow to say something to the other person. But again, they're holding back. They're just keeping quiet. Look at that. Communication is just coming in slow. Tell me about the Eight of Wands in reverse, please. Somebody could be clearing away obstacles here, which is why they're moving really slow. But I just feel like you're frustrated because it's like you're not getting answers to something. Queen of Wands in reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. If not, I feel like you guys are not being positive about the situation here. Yeah. Somebody's interfering, and it's due to the fact that there is a third-party situation. And I feel like you guys are just dropping it. You're letting it go. You're tired. I'm getting a headache already. I'm picking up somebody's energy. I don't know who this is, but y'all are over it. You're done. You're tired. Yeah, you guys are like not moving forward with an individual here. You're done. Oh my God. My head. Wow. Some of y'all just take a deep breath for a second. Y'all are real. Somebody's really going through it right now. Clarify the Three of Pentacles. Somebody's wanting a situation to improve here. I feel like it's the other person or this individual. Again, it could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Lord Jesus, there's two people. Okay, somebody wants to take the lead here to fix the situation, but there definitely was a third-party situation. There's an air sign here. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Y'all, of course, y'all know I don't take the cards as being gender specific. So this could, it looks like 2 men, but it could be 2 women. Just take it however it fits for you. And also, this can go vice versa. So that's why somebody's frustrated here. They were put in a third-party situation. Somebody, I feel like is not cutting it off just yet. But they want to come in and give you this offer. They're giving you a breadcrumbs offer. And you're like, no, I'm not accepting it. There's no stability in that. No. I'm tired of you doing this to me. I deserve better. You're feeling like the situation isn't improving. Look at that. Yeah, somebody is really sad here. Somebody could be stressing out about finances as well. Somebody could have took some type of financial loss here. Justice is here in reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. I'm not sure if I said Aries, but Aries is here as well. If I did, and I apologize. But yeah, Aries and Libra is here. Are here, excuse me. The truth is coming out about something. I do feel like somebody is getting out of some type of legal situation. Yeah, there was a decision that was made here. Someone's back and forth. It's like 1 minute they have confidence that something's going to work out in their favor, but the next minute they don't. Yeah. Somebody's feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning in a situation, and they're really in their head. I'm telling y'all, I have a headache. Somebody's in their head big time, and it's literally, it's draining. Y'all. Oh, I hate that you guys are going through this. Somebody's going through it. You're in your head big time. It's like a lot of mental anxiety here. Because you feel like you lost something. A decision has been made. Tell me more, please. Okay. Somebody is wanting happiness. They're wanting content with their finances. This definitely could be about money as well. If you're stressing about money, you do have money coming in. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Yeah, it's something with money here. Somebody's made a decision. Tell me more. Okay. There's an offer coming in. So, I just got this. Okay. Some of you guys could be stressing out about money due to the fact that you could have, like, lost a job. It could be a situation to where maybe you were helping someone out and they took from you. And so, you know, what you had saved or what you may have had in your account or what you were expecting, you don't have it. Somebody's definitely just frustrated about love and money or one or the other. But money is definitely here. I do feel like somebody's getting ready to get a job offer. Like an offer's coming in. It's just coming in slow. And that could be why the trust card is here. You guys just keep your head up. It's coming. Stay positive. And I know it's hard. Look, it's an offer coming. I'm telling y'all. There's some type of offer. It's definitely, it's money related big time. Ace of Pentacles, you feel like something that you've been hoping and wishing for you're not going to have. If it is something dealing with like a job offer, maybe you feel like what you're being offered is like a lateral move. Like you're not, it's not an increase. It could be that. If it is in regard to love, you're feeling like, okay, this offer is coming in, but you don't have any hope in the situation anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but yeah, you're feeling like you're not going to have a new beginning here. But you're coming out of worrying about the situation. But again, you're not being positive. And they want you to know, look at that, the sun. There's happiness coming for you guys. That's why I keep saying, I've been saying this whole time, like, y'all, please get out of your head. Stay positive. Something is coming, and I feel it. Something is coming in good for you guys. Look at that. It's asking you to have strength. Please keep your head up. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo here. But back and forth energy, it's like 1 minute you're taking it day by day. You're getting stronger, but the next minute you're stuck in limbo because it's like you don't know what to do. But something is getting ready to take place really fast for you. But right now, you guys feel like you don't have a happy home. Y'all, I'm sorry. It's like two different storylines, and they keep going back and forth. So, just take whatever resonates. Some of you guys feel like you don't have a happy home, but look at that 10 of Cups. There's happiness here. You're going to get your happy home life, your happy family here. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer like yourself, or a Scorpio. But there's definitely a lot of conflict here, but I do feel like you guys are emotional. You're just holding it in. It's like you don't have the strength. It's like you're done. Why? You don't want to speak up and tell anybody how you feel at this point. But there's definitely some conflict here, but somebody wants to turn the situation around. But Cancer, I do feel like you got left out in the cold. Yep, there's your card right there, Cancer. Could be dealing with another Cancer. But you definitely feel like you got left out in the cold. It could be, again, financially wise. If not, it could just be in this, love situation. Somebody did you wrong. They left you out in the cold where you gave your all and you got the short end of the stick. And it's just to the point where you're like, you know what? I'm not moving forward. I feel like I'm not going to have a new beginning with you. And you're just picking up the pieces because you're ready to move on to build something new. You're ready to start over. Fourth energy. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. I do feel like there's a Virgo. Okay, so this is back and forth. Okay. I feel like at this point, you guys aren't putting any time, effort, or energy into the situation. You are focusing on yourself right now. You're tired. It's like you have a lot going on, and you just really need to zone in on you. Start doing things that make you happy. Focus on your finances. You're just, because you guys are like very independent. You're a go-getter, and I feel like for some of you guys, you got knocked down. And at one point in time, I feel like you guys were doing fine, but it's like now somebody's going through it. Like, they're going through it. I don't know who this is for.